Hello everybody, I'm Jonathan Stocks, and today I really just want to tell you a little bit about me, the services I offer, and at the end of this video I wanted to let you in on a little bit of a secret as to what makes my services in particular so invaluable to you. I'm an independent travel agent with Magical Moments Vacations. Basically, I plan your vacation down to every last detail, so your vacation can be just that, a vacation, an escape from your everyday life. Did you know that the average American spends 20 hours planning their vacation? Not only is that time consuming, that's super stressful. Remember, it's very easy to hop online and quickly book a hotel or a flight, but it is very difficult to plan a memorable vacation experience, especially if you're traveling with children. The destinations that I currently offer are all-inclusive resorts, cruises, tropical vacations including Hawaii where I was born and raised, and finally my main area of expertise, Disney vacations. My family and I love to travel, and we've been fortunate enough to travel all over the world to many places, many destinations. And as a side effect of that, I've gained so much knowledge and experience that can really help your trip go as seamlessly and smooth as possible. Look, I could talk to you for days about all these details and destinations, but for the sake of this video, let's focus on Disney. There are so many details that go into making your Disney vacation memorable. Let me wake up at 3 a.m. the day that your dining reservations become available. Let me help guide you through the app to get the fast passes, especially the hard to get ones. Let me take care of your transportation to and from the airport to the resorts. Let me take care of all of these details for you. I also have great tips and tricks books that I've written just for you to help you along your vacation, which come free to you. So why should you book through me? So if all those reasons aren't already enough, I'm now gonna let you in on that secret I promised you before. Why you should book through me. And the secret isn't really a secret at all. It's that my services are absolutely free to you. That's right, there's no charge to you at all for all the services that I just told you about, plus more. So I know you're probably asking yourself, how can that be true? What's John up to? Let's say you go online and you find that Disney hotel, the Disney package, the tickets that you want, and you get a price. When you book through me, that price is exactly the same. There is no additional charges. The reason being is you do not pay for my services. Disney pays me for my services to you. Look, Disney wants you to have a good time. They want you to have such a great time that you come back over and over again. And that's where I come in. They're more than happy to pay me to ensure you have that good time because they want you to come back. So now you know who to contact the next time you're planning a vacation. You can visit me on the web, www.travelhodgepodge.org. You can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/travelhodgepodge. And if you're not quite ready to book your next vacation, that's okay. Please like and share this video so your friends and family know where to find me. Thanks for watching.